a lot of face masks just don't work, as you guys have probably seen in past videos. I was very excited when Shuddh Naturals contacted me and asked me to review their face mask because they are 100% natural and it's a clay mask, and I love clay masks a lot, but it is hard to find a good clay mask because every time, other than the Aaliyah Skin one, I'd put a clay mask on, my face gets so itchy and irritated. So I was so excited to try this one because it's natural and it's for all skin types. The packaging is really cute. I like it. I like how it's in just a little baggie. It's got all the information on the back, almost like a food item, like you can see everything, and it's just like a resealable package. On right here it shows like all the benefits, like the ingredients and the different types of face masks that they have. In total they have 6 different masks. They have the Fuller's Earth plus orange peel, Fuller's Earth plus aloe vera, Fuller's Earth plus pomegranate, Fuller's Earth plus neem, I believe that's how you pronounce it. And the one that I'm going to be reviewing today is the Fuller's Earth plus Holy Basil. So there's a total of 6 different masks and I love that. So this mask right here is supposed to be remove dirt, impurities naturally and reveal smoother skin. It's supposed to help fight acne and pimples, even out your skin tone, brighten complexion, help maintain healthy skin, and I am all about that. So your first step is to mix 2 tablespoons of this face powder with about 10 milliliters of water, or you can make a paste desired to thickness, which is what I like. I don't mind the scent of it. I actually really like the scent of it. It's not too strong. It smells like basil. Like it smells, I don't know how to put it. Like it smells like you would think it smells, I guess. It's not strong though, which I like. And then you leave it on your face for like 10 to 15 minutes, or you wait until it's dry and then you take it off. Personally, I like to just use my microfiber little face towel to take it off, because I find if I take it off like that, my face is less red after, which I'll get into in like 1 minute about that. But while I had it on my face never felt burning, itchy, irritated. It never broke out. It never got extremely red. It did get red, but like I said, I will talk about that in like a couple seconds here. This one was so nice to leave on my face for like the full 15 minutes because it was so cooling and relaxing to have on. So I think if you're looking for something relaxing, you're gonna really like this and cooling. After about 15 minutes, like I said, I took this mask off and I did notice that I had redness on my face. However, I was told that there was gonna be redness, and that's okay if there's redness. I understand that there could be redness and why there's redness. I get that. But there was no burning, there was no irritation, like there was nothing bad about the redness, and the redness actually was not that bad. Like, it wasn't bad at all. So what I did to add hydration, like they say, is to add a moisturizer. I used my Tarte H2O, I believe, moisturizer. Or hydration moisturizer. It's Rainforest of the Sea one. I used that one and I love how my face felt. I really want to try the orange one because it like provides your face with like vitamin C, and I have nothing with vitamin C in my skincare, so I feel like that would just be really good. But the nice thing about the orange one is supposed to provide like a natural glow. It's good for dry skin, which is exactly what I have, and I feel like that would be a really good item to have, especially transitioning from like winter to like spring/summer. So I feel like the vitamin C one would be perfect for me, and the pomegranate clay mask as well. That's what I want to try because it's supposed to provide more elasticity to the skin. It delays signs of like wrinkles and aging, which if you know me, I like to make sure that my skin is going to stay good for as long as it can, because I will take the extra steps like to put eye cream on. I will take the extra steps to put like a serum on because I want to prevent wrinkles, and just like I'm 21, but I feel like that would like help prevent it, so that would be good. Their ingredients are from like the natural product. It's not extracts, which I like. And the other thing is there's no chemicals, there's no parabens, there's no toxins, there's no fillers, there's no sulfate. Like there's like, they are natural, which I love. Sometimes natural products, they don't work as well for me just because it's like they're missing something for me personally, but this doesn't miss anything for me. Like, it doesn't. But I'm going to leave the website down below for you guys to go and check out. The website I love. It is so informative and descriptive. Like, I'm so impressed by this company's like items. The other cool thing is they do offer free shipping for like US and Canada for like $50, which I find really good. And like right now they also have like a promotion going on. This is where I feel like I would need to buy like all the six masks, but they do have a promotion going on where you buy 2 packs of face masks. So you get 22 masks in total, and it's only $20 instead of $25. So if you're like me and you're gonna go out to the store and buy 22 face masks, that's gonna add up so quickly, but it's only $20 instead of $25, okay? But if you buy all 6 face masks, like 6 packages, you get 66 face masks for only $50. That's where I would want to buy it, because I would want to buy the 6. I'd want to keep the orange peel and the pomegranate and then do a giveaway of like all the other 4. And that's what I'm kind of leaning towards, and do like a giveaway either on my Facebook or Instagram, because like I want more people to like try these because of how much I love it and how impressed I am with it. I will not come on here and like say like all these good things about a mask if like the mask is not good. You guys know me. Like, the only thing about this is like you have to add your hydration after, so you have to add your moisturizer, which I mean I normally do, and your face may get a little bit red, but it honestly did not break me out, and it's not even red to the point where your face is burnt. Like, that's not how it is at all. So I was really impressed by this, and I really think if you're looking for a good face mask that you should check them out. This is like the perfect mask, because I have a hard time with face masks, but this is like my favorite mask because it actually works. And that's about that. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.